Did you know that roughly 98% of the people who visit your website will leave without ever making a purchase? This represents a huge wasted opportunity for your business. And here's why. Imagine right now that for every 100 people who visit your website, you make only 2 sales. Now imagine, instead, that out of those same 100 people, you were able to make 4 or even just 6 sales. Now remember, it's the exact same 100 people. You have now just turned more of your visitors into sales. Now this means you have instantly doubled or tripled your profits overnight without the need for any extra visitors. The reality is, you spend all of your time and money trying to get new clients to your business, but you let most of them walk out the door without ever buying anything. You need to fix this problem right away. Smart businesses focus on turning more of their current visitors into sales. That's where the easy money is. By collecting a list of people who visit your website, you can contact them again and again and inform them of your news, special offers, and promotions. And the more they get to know, like, and trust your business, the more likely it is that they will buy something from you. So, click on the button below this video to see an example of how we can help you build a list of your current website visitors and turn more of those visitors into paying customers. It's much easier than you think, and we will set up everything for you. We can help you start building your list and increasing your profits as soon as today. Click on the button below.